Hello, I'm Jordan from Turner Hastings, and in this video I'm going to show why the Turner Hastings bottle trap is the best bottle trap on the market. So, apart from the great packaging and installation instructions in the box, the advantages of our bottle trap is firstly the adjustment. So this is the bottle and the outlet pipe. Now this has the largest extension on the market with a very long outlet pipe and a very high inlet pipe as well. This can be fully adjusted by cutting it back with a hacksaw. Also, we can also offer an optional extra higher inlet pipe, a vertical extension piece for when the plumber has it set out this too light in the wall. We can offer a higher one of these. Now, the second advantage of this one is the 32 by 40mm bush on the top. So this here, so if you've got a 32 or 40mm waste, it doesn't matter, it always comes with a bush. So you can either leave it on for 32mm waste or remove it to use the 40mm waste. The third advantage is the rubber key seal on the end of this outlet pipe. So here is the outlet pipe going into the wall. All you need to do is put on one of these rubber key seals which comes with it, and then it goes straight into a 40mm PVC socket, and there's no silicone required, so that's a very quick and easily, no mess installation. Another advantage is the generous size cover plate that comes with it, nice and deep, well sized, which means it can slide straight over the hole in the wall. One of the greatest things about this bottle trap is the clear out plug. So this plug here on the bottom can actually be unscrewed to demonstrate the if you drop a ring down there, or jewellery, or any sort of, or if you need to clean it out from any rubbish that's built up there over the years, you simply just unscrew this on the base using a key or a screwdriver or a coin, and then you can remove anything from inside the trap. Apart from that, it's a very high quality, heavy duty brass, not made from plastic. Some cheaper bottle traps these days are made from plastic. We've remained this bottle trap here with brass. And finally, if you're looking for the right design, this is the slimmest bottle trap in the market that's watermark approved. So it's completely watermark approved, and it is the slimmest you can get with the approval standards rating. If you find a slimmer one, it's not going to be approved. So thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you'll look forward to using this in the market like most Australian plumbers are using. Thank you.